Hello students, today in this online class I am going to explain you chapter 5 acids, bases and salts. In this video we are going to learn about indicators. Special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are called indicators. As we all are knowing, acids and base they are different in taste. Acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. But it is not possible to taste every time, or this is not suitable for us. Thus, we require some substance which help to indicate which substance is acidic and which substance is basic. So for this purpose we are using indicators. An indicator is a dye that changes color when it is put into an acid or a base. Types of indicators. There are two types of indicators. First, natural indicators. Second, man-made indicators. Natural indicators like litmus, China rose, turmeric, they all are natural indicators. Man-made indicators. They are also known as synthetic indicators like phenolphthalein, methyl orange. They are man-made indicators. Let's see how these indicators are work. First, litmus. Litmus is a natural indicator. Litmus solution is a purple colored dye which is extracted from a type of plant called lichen. Although the natural color of litmus is purple, it is made into blue litmus and red litmus for the sake of convenience in detecting color change when an acid or base is added to it. Thus, litmus is made into two types, blue litmus and red litmus. Litmus can be used in the form of litmus solution or in the form of strips of litmus paper. Litmus paper with acids and bases. When we are taking two beakers, one contain acid, another contain base, and when we dip litmus paper in them, we find litmus paper turns red when dipped in an acidic solution and litmus paper turns blue when dipped in an alkaline or basic solution. So, acid turns blue litmus to red and bases turn red litmus to blue. Next is China rose indicator. China rose is also a natural indicator. It is a light pink colored solution which is extracted from the red flower of China rose plant with water. We could prepare this China rose indicator. For that, collect some petals of China rose flower and place them in a beaker. Add some hot water. Keep the China rose petals immersed in the water for some time till the water in the beaker acquires a light pink color. Remove the petals by the filtration and the light pink solution thus obtained is the China rose indicator. This China rose indicator can be used for testing acids and bases. China rose indicator with acids. China rose indicator when they add to acids like acidic nature substances, lemon juice, vinegar. Then let's see what's happened. We could see they are turned dark pink or magenta. This that means China rose indicator when add with acid it turns magenta. Acid turn China rose indicator to magenta or deep pink. China rose indicator with bases. Again we take China rose indicator and then add in basic solution like shampoo, soda water, sodium hydroxide. Then we can see here their color also get changed. They become green color. Bases turn China rose indicator to green. Thus, children, acid turns China rose indicator to deep pink or magenta, and bases turn China rose indicator to green. Next is turmeric. It is also an natural indicator. Turmeric is a bright yellow powder substance. When we add this turmeric powder or turmeric solution in acid and base, then like here we have taken lemon juice and soap solution. Let's see what's happened then. We could see here lemon juice remain yellow on adding this turmeric solution in it, whereas soap solution become reddish. Thus, turmeric solution is yellow in acid solution and bases turn the yellow turmeric solution to red. Next indicator is phenolphthalein. It is an synthetic indicator or man-made indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator with acids and bases. Phenolphthalein when adding to acids and bases, then we could see when it added to acid it remains colorless, whereas when it is added to base or alkali they turns pink. Thus we could say phenolphthalein indicator is colorless in acidic solution and it gives pink color in basic solution. Next synthetic indicator is methyl orange. Methyl orange as indicator with acids and bases. When we are adding this methyl orange in acid and in bases, then we can see acid turn red and bases or alkali turns yellow. And those substances, those solutions don't change the color of any indicator in any way are called neutral substances like sugar solution, common salt, distilled water, they all are neutral substances. I hope children you understood the topic indicator. Now for you one homework is there. You have to write a slogan on uh, turmeric paper with soap solution and you have to dry it well. Then you have to see how it's look. Thank you.